Next time you need to brainstorm, try meditation first. Stay tuned to learn what open monitoring meditation is and how you can do it. I'm Shirley Archer. I'm the best-selling author of 15 books on fitness and wellness, an award-winning trainer, and a mindful health educator. And I am passionate about empowering you to have the healthy, energetic, and happy life that you deserve. Each week I provide new tips, and today I'm going to talk about open monitoring meditation and how it can help you not only calm and relax and focus your attention, but also boost your creativity. I'm going to talk about what open monitoring meditation is, what types of open monitoring meditation are out there, why you should do it, what the benefits of doing it are, how to do it, and we're going to do a little sample together. So in contrast to focused awareness meditation, which is when you concentrate on a single object of attention, open monitoring meditation means that you simply open up your awareness and observe what is happening in the mind. You observe the thoughts, the feelings, the sensations, the sounds, all of the things that come into awareness. And rather than engaging with anything particular that's in your field of thought, you simply observe. And if you catch yourself kind of going down that daydream or getting really involved with a particular memory, you say, oh, okay. And then you step back and you then watch that. And through this practice, you learn to have more objectivity. And you realize how temporary thoughts and feelings can really be. So what are the types of open monitoring meditation? It comes to us from the Buddhist tradition, and it's known as Vipassana meditation, which can be translated to insight and is the basis for the contemporary mindfulness meditation that you hear so much about. So all of those styles are open monitoring forms of meditation. Why would you choose to do this? Well, this style of meditation not only improves concentration, but it helps you to have more awareness and objectivity with respect to your thoughts and your feelings, which really helps with what's known as emotion regulation. So you notice how in traffic you get really upset when someone cuts in front of you, and then you may get angry, and then your heart can go faster, and you could continue to get more angry, or you can notice that this is happening to yourself, realize it's not a life and death situation, know that there's nothing you can really do about it, and breathe deeply and bring yourself back to calm. So it helps you get in touch with the reactivity of our mind and allows you to choose whether or not you want to engage with whichever particular thought or feeling you have in that circumstance. It's helpful in the experience of pain and pain management, and it can help change habits or addictive behavior. So if you want to lose weight or stop smoking or drink less alcohol, open monitoring or mindful meditation can help you because it gives you that extra objectivity before you engage in habitual behavior to say, oh, I may choose not to do this instead of mindlessly going down that path. So the benefits of practicing this are it calms the mind, it improves attention, it boosts creativity, it reduces cravings, it improves pain tolerance, and it actually has been shown to reduce the experience of pain, because pain is not only the physical sensation, it's also the anxiety and fear. So if you have more awareness of those thoughts, you can reduce the fear, you can reduce the anxiety. So how do we do it? Instead of focusing on something specific, when you enter into that calm space and you're beginning to meditate, you open your awareness and you simply observe everything that's occurring. And every time you find yourself becoming involved with a thought or a sensation, instead of reacting or acting on it, you catch yourself, try not to judge yourself, or if you do judge, notice that you're judging, try to let that go, and simply go back to being a silent witness, an observer. So let's do a brief sample meditation. Make yourself comfortable, lengthen the spine, soften the shoulders, inhale deeply, and exhale completely. You can place the hands either with the palms up or on the junction of the hip and thigh, or you can place one hand on top of the other. Soften the shoulders, relax and release any tension. You can choose to either close your eyes or lower the gaze and soften the focus so that you're not looking at anything in particular, just simply looking downward and in front of you. Draw your attention to the breath. Make no effort to control the breath. Simply observe the breath as it flows in and out. Observe the gentle expansion of the body with the inhalation, the softening and contraction with the exhalation. Notice any sensations, feeling of the chair beneath you, the air around you. Observing any sounds around you, the sounds of my voice, the sounds of the room. Just allowing all of it to be in your awareness. Being with the breath. Rather than thinking about inhaling or exhaling, simply feeling the inhale, experiencing the exhale. If any other thoughts come up, just notice and let them flow like the breath across the mind. Opening your awareness. Being in this moment. If your eyes are closed, gently open your eyes or lift the gaze. Gently roll the shoulders. You can rotate the wrists, open and close the hands, drawing the energy up, back into the room. And bringing your attention to how you feel. So that's an experience of open monitoring meditation. And I'd love for you to share in comments below what that was like for you, if you've been practicing mindfulness or any other style. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'm happy to answer. And please subscribe to my channel if you're new to meditation. So if you'd like to sample other styles, please tune in. I myself do a combination of styles, and as do many people, so you can find the exact style that makes you feel happy, peaceful, grounded, and centered. Until next time, be healthy and happy. Peace.